At present, in South Africa, 31.4%, that is 7.8 million people. 7.8 million people is unemployed at this present point in time in South Africa. That's a lot of people. Anton here from Richards Bay. Now, irrespective who you are, what skills you have, what knowledge you have, if you are unemployed at this present point in time and you are desperately looking for a way to be able to generate an income, all that you need is your cell phone, and you need Wi-Fi connectivity, and you need a blueprint, a program that can assist you on how to be able to look after yourself. And if you want to know more regarding this opportunity, please, I really want to assist. My number is on the screen. Just send me a WhatsApp or comment help, and I will share the information with you on how you will be able to get back onto your feet again.